basic. Probably, I think 2 or 3 years before, Tesla was able to show their car in the market. They have a very good, they have arranged a very big session for this marketing session for that. During that time, bulletproof glass was there for that. They have taken a store, they have taken this one, and they just hit on that one. Glass was broken. Probably you can check in the Google also. See, before going for the market, we need to test that. So that is the one of the process in this. Let me understand what is this prototyping. We are making them narrow down. We are narrow down our whatever the ideas are there. By doing so many processes. He is having one idea, he is having one idea, he is having one idea. Take all these ideas and we will come to the one particular conclusion. Narrow down in this conclusion is nothing but the prototyping, and we are going to build the model which is almost similar to the final product. So these are the prototyping. Why we need the prototyping? The first one is the materializing the raw ideas. We need to make the raw ideas. If directly if I go to the market as the Tesla, how they have been made, the same thing is going to happen. The raw ideas has to get converted. Rectification has to be done. If any problems are there, the rectification has to be done there. And third one is nothing but material versatility. What are the different materials available and what are the versatilities are there? Those things we need to check. Other things included is prototyping attracts investments. Of course, if you do not prototyping, I did not to show the final product to the stakeholders. I can show a model and I can explain that. So this is how it going to be works, so that I can able to attract the investments for my product. That's why we will call it as the patents. Coming to the next, prototyping saves money. Yes, of course. Before going for the final product, if you go to do the product, prototyping is going to save the money. Profit loss estimation we can able to do very easily, and refine the final outcome. This we can able to do. What is the types of prototyping? We have majorly 3 types. One is called as user prototypes, feasibility prototypes, and live data prototypes. Live data prototypes belong to the computer science and information science. They are going to develop the websites as live data. So here are some examples are there. Feasibility prototypes. What we want in the y-axis and what we want to see in the x-axis. Technical complexity and design requirements. So based on that one, which category we want, we can able to choose very easily. So live data prototype, as I told, it belongs to the programming or the solution for the problem. Live programming, type of the C, type of the Java, we are going to be given the live data prototype. Miniature prototype. Miniature is very small. We have been worked for the science exhibitions during our school days. We have to take the projects to our schools. Very small projects. That is the prototype. We can't even get the product